Hello everyone. Today's session I am going to discuss about basics of Docker. Docker is a tool using for creating and managing containers. Container is a form of operating system level virtualization. Containers are used to deliver software in packages called containers. Containers are similar to virtual machines. The difference is, in virtual machine, we install a hypervisor in the host computer and then we create virtual machines. So in containers, we install a container engine, example Docker, and then create containers. I am going to show a lab session on Docker container. So I am in a Linux virtual machine. First step is I am installing Docker using install docker-y command. Docker is installed. So I'm going to start the service docker start. So I am going to create container in this machine. The first step is I am going to download one image. So I am downloading one Nginx image I am downloading. So this is similar to when we create a virtual machine, we use ISO file, but here I am downloading a Nginx image I am downloading. So this I am downloading from the Docker Hub repository. We can search these images in the Docker Hub repository. I am downloading it. So after that, I can check the images. When I do Docker images, so I can see one image is there. So I am going to create a container. I am going to create. So I am giving a command docker run -it d. So I'm giving a name for the container web1. So I'm going to do a port mapping. So the host computer port is 80 and the container port is also I am giving this. So I am going to create a container. This is the name of the container and the image I am using is this one. So this is my external port and this is the container port. So I am creating a container I am creating. So now I can check this virtual machine's IP. I am going to copy this public IP in the browser and we can see this Nginx container will be installed in this. Nginx is installed here. So I can check the containers listing. I can do by docker ps. So I can create another container. I am creating docker downloading another image. So CentOS image. I am pulling the docker pull command. I am using and I am downloading the CentOS image. So then I am going to create another container I am creating. So docker run -it -d. So hyphen name web server 2 and I am giving a port mapping. So external port is 81 and internal port is 80. So and I am using CentOS image I am using. So I am creating a container called web2 with this image. So we can see this image is this container is created. So I can log in inside the container docker exec -it. So the container name and I am going to launch a bash shell. I'm going to log in inside the container. We can check the prompt is changed now. And this I am inside the container now. It is having its own IP address and also having own file system. So I can install some application inside this container. Yum install httpd. So I'm going to install a web server in this machine. So after that, I want to create an HTML page. I want to copy in this VM inside the container. So I will go to cd var www html. I'm going to create a index file I am creating. So then I am going to start this web server. So I am giving Apache, going to start this web server. So now I can check this IP address in the browser, but I am using in another port I am using. So I am using on port number 81 I am running. So we can see this website is working here. So I have created two containers. So one is Nginx, another is Apache I created. So thanks for watching this video.